face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon at times.
Just testing out the camera stand and making a quick video just before I head out, just to the shopping centre, just to get some food and find out my way to work tomorrow. Just come to the Mall of Emirates and just making a quick video, and this lady in front of me was laughing at my stick. Have a look. Making an entrance to the Mall of the Emirates. Nice looking car. Okay, just in the mall. This mall is open until midnight. Just looking around and going to get some food. Just arrived at the food court. Everything's halal. I'm just going to turn the video around just so you can have a look at it.
Wish I could make it easy.
Before I get a Big Mac, I thought it would be worthwhile for the non-Muslims that I explain the importance. In the UK, because Big Mac isn't halal, all Muslims cannot eat from McDonald's, a Big Mac or any chicken. All they can eat is a fillet of fish or vegetable deluxe burger. So when you come to a Muslim country and everything is halal, most Muslims you will find tend to go to McDonald's and try a Big Mac. The significance. This picture is one for Hussein, the first order of a Big Mac meal. Big Mac, normal fries, not extra large, and a normal drink. Getting ready to have the Big Mac meal. Got some chips. Wish me luck. The big burger. Big Mac finished in under 3 minutes. Hussein, what are you doing here? Bad news everyone, I've come to the Etisalat stand and there's too many people everywhere. Have a look. Past cafe, Toast Cafe, decided to quickly get some healthy food. Cake.
How much is this?
I'm not sure, someone gifted.
Oh, okay.
I'm just coming out of Mall of Emirates. It's 12:30 in the morning. I have a friend who's looking at this. Wait.
Yeah, man.
We've just come out of Mall of Emirates. I bought my SIM card, and now I don't think I showed you the car that I bought, or well rented, for a cheap 1 month until I get my resident visa. But the one we've got is a Mitsubishi Lancer, just a normal saloon. I'll turn the car around, or turn the camera around. I'll show you now. So this little saloon, the Mitsubishi, cloth seats, because the weather gets too hot. Last day in the hotel. I thought I'd take a quick view of the hotel outside before I go to the mosque. Have a look. Gulf Oasis hotel apartments. Really bright, 42 degrees.
Ground, it feels like
afternoon, everybody. I've just got the hire car today, which is a Mitsubishi Lancer. I'll show you the car later. I'm just trying to work out how to get home without a sat nav. I think I know how to do it, because I think I can remember the taxi, but I'll let you know how I get on. I'll take a picture of the car and everything later. So, just did the first journey back from work with the car without a sat nav. Missed one exit and had to go all the way around to come back to another one. Managed to find a park. Now, just going to get a quick food before I go back to the apartment. And then what I'll probably do, make a trip to the gym, because I've got my ID card today, and see if I can get into the gym free. But I'll wait for an hour, let the traffic die down, because it's peak time right now. Speak to you shortly. Bye. Good evening, everyone. Just a quick vlog. I haven't done anything for a couple of days, but what I've done is just been to the gym, come back from the gym, done nothing to the hair, quickly come out. I thought I'd get a SIM card because it's 1st of October, Wednesday, last day of work tomorrow, so tomorrow's my Friday, and I thought I'd quickly get a SIM card and get Wi-Fi sorted out. Speak to you in a bit. Bye. So in every mall there's a quick map of the mall. Good evening, everyone. Good night or good morning to the time frame you're looking at it. Quick vlog. It's 1st Wednesday, October. I thought I'd better sort out my SIM card. 11 o'clock at night. Been to the gym, had a shower there, did a few FaceTime with Safwan, Safira, Jaysha, Zayan and a few other people. Quickly thought I'll get a SIM card because tomorrow is going to be my Friday, and then I can get 4G and use my new SIM card to make calls in Dubai. Speak to you in a bit.
My face above the water, my feet can't touch the